through memory, through want and silence drain. Old habits rise without a sound and pull the heart again. But deeper than the restless tide, a steady presence stays, waiting for the turning in of thought, of breath, of gaze. In stillness, distractions soften, their grip begins to fade. The scattered pieces of the mind return to quiet space. Through focused heart and steady thought, the inner life appears, where peace dissolves the restless pull of habit, want, and fear. One point of light within the mind draws thought from every side. The noise grows thin, the pace slows down. The soul steps in to guide. The body listens, breath aligns. Emotion learns to rest. The mind remembers how to serve what knows beyond the stress. In stillness, distractions soften, their grip begins to fade. The scattered pieces of the mind return to quiet space. Through focused heart and steady thought, the inner life appears, where peace dissolves the restless pull of habit, want, and fear. The thinker, thought, and living form begin to move as one. No past to chase, no future pull, only what has begun. In silence, love is quietly known, without demand or plea. A being deeper than reaction, simple, whole, and free. As meditation steadies life, the hindrances release. No effort forced, no battle fought, only a growing peace. The heart aligns, the mind grows clear. The soul becomes the guide, and stillness opens into truth that never steps aside. Still present.